The old building and its backyard. Still wonder what it contains. Instead of taking this alley from up there and walking left and finding the entrance immediately, I walked all the way around the entire block, which is kind of fun. But now I'm here, so let's go inside and take a look. So we walked from the right along the upper part of the river, in other words on the north side of the river, and then we walked up to the right on this big thick street. Here's the hammam we were at. Here's where I walked around the block only to discover the opening right there. And so we're sitting inside the courtyard of the Mosque of Emin, E-M-I-N, Pasha. I'm inside the courtyard now. It's pleasant over there. There's some grave sites. This is an old mosque. Whether they'll restore it or not, I don't know. You can see what were some pretty bits of iconography up there. How lovely if they would restore it. Happened, no doubt, is that in order for these mosques to survive financially, as the leaders of the mosques perceived it, they had to sell off the land that was around them, probably in bits and pieces. So that was an older building there, that one newer, this one quite new, unless this is part of it, and it may be part of it since it has those rugs there and the shoe devices there, but those look like residences up above, and maybe they're for someone associated with the mosque. But when I turn around, you'll see that we're hemmed in by a wall that hems in this cemetery with its, I think, a sarcophagus there. We're hemmed in beyond the wall by new buildings. Here, a big stone used as an upper step, but probably once held a tombstone right there vertically. Decided to have a bite to eat in this cafe alongside the river, just down the street from that large, pretty mosque that we looked at earlier today. And just to orientate, the hammam is up that street going that way. I just walked down from there to get to this. Not much left in the way of old buildings here. This one may be restorable. Unfortunately, my guess is that when the next tier of development begins, they'll rip all this down. Don't know what this little church is. Stuck into this small little space. Notice how far down the grade is, probably 10, 12, 15 feet. You can see how small it is. There's the altar area, and the nave must be going straight back. And it is a Christian church, Eastern Byzantium Christian. Sitting alongside the river, finishing my ice cream cone that I bought from Harold, who speaks and looks like he's from England, and may be. Saw this while I was eating my ice cream cone. Another minaret. I think it's undergoing remodeling. Don't know if I can see through the mesh there or not, or the camera can. It's a very modest mosque. And here it's about to get hemmed in even further. Pretty yellow building right near the large square, right near the bridge. Also notice this guy's balcony up here. And the two chairs, though, you sit out there just like you would on Balboa Island and watch the peeps whenever you want to. And this fountain was just packed with people a few minutes ago, loading up bottles, washing hands. Particularly pretty in the glow of sunset.